the leaf can't get in at all. Check this out, guys. Under the plate number, yes, I think you can see the leaf which is stuck in there. Not sure how to get them out. It's just way too big, the holes. So let's check out what EVBase have given us. This will be the solution. First of all, you get to see a warranty and support. If you need any help, contact them. And this is the tutorial. So let's take out the stuff. You get this. This is a pry tool. Then all is protected with styrofoams. You get 2 pieces of this. Yeah. So obviously one is left and one is right. So it should be something like this. So you guys can see this. There is a double side tape here where you can just take it out, and there's some clips here as well. Yeah, and this can be opened. Let's try and open this. This last part here is slightly tricky, so after taking it out, this is how it looks like. You can take it out for cleaning purpose, and let's try and take out the other side as well. Okay, so this is also out, and this is how it looks like. On the other side, actually it's the same, just one is left, one is right. Let's try and put this in. Okay, let's secure both sides first. Okay, there you go. Snap it, then this is one whole piece. And after that, just try to put this in the middle. It's pretty easy, just make sure this is under the T. Let's take this out. Pretty simple, right? Just snap in. Perfectly well. Put in the grill. Alright, now it's all fixed. Really neat, yeah? It looks like a honeycomb, and these are not plastics, yeah? These are steel. Okay, so air can still get in, but the leaf can't get in at all. If you want to get this, just check out the link below. Make sure you use my discount code. You'll be able to get some discount off from EVBase, yeah? Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps. Bye.